This model kit review is of the 2021 police car. It's a Dodge Charger, the Pursuit version, 1/25th scale model by AMT. And here are some of the features here. Shows you the decals. Some nice box art. There's some interior details and the very large 5.7 litre V8 Hemi. And those are the parts listings there. Let's open up and have a look inside. Well, first of all, here we've got our glass, which has already been pre-painted with the black lining. That's the front and rear windshield. Here we've got the rest of the glass. So there's our rear bumper in red with some clear, that's probably for the top. That's for our lights. Here's the side glass, and then that's probably the divider section in between. So over here we've got some chrome parts for our rear lights. We've got our headlights, and then probably the siren up top. Here are our headlights, and maybe that is actually for our wheels. There's the side mirrors there. Here is the still got a sticky residue on. Probably need to wash this one, get that mold release agent off. Here's our body. We've got some recessed lines, some nice exterior details. Engine bay looks like it'll be visible. And let's open up these screws. We've got some wheels. I guess these are going to be the two different styles there. Here's our rear bumper and front bumper. Here's our front seats and rear bench seats. The backs of those seats look like they're over here. Here's our central console, some grills, and then our wheel hubs with disc brakes. We've got exhaust parts, some side skirts, and a front hood. There really are a lot of parts to this model. So here we've got this is a left-hand drive, and it's the dashboard instrument panel. Looks like engine cover there. Some subframe parts here. There's our sway bar, steering rack there. Here's our rear axle and drive shaft, some engine parts. And these are probably for our doors, door handles and so on the inside. Some more subframe parts. Part of our was an oil pan by the engine. And looks like that's our suspension there. More engine parts. Here we've got our central console, and lots of little additional details. I'm guessing this is for the rear of the vehicle, to separate the rear and the from the police in the front. That's what that looks like. Okay, let's have a look at these last few screws. So first of all, here is our chassis with wheel wells on there, very nicely molded. Got some exhaust parts there. There's our radiator housing for the fans. Here's the base of the cabin. Seats would go here. Here's our firewall. Looks like a door card there for the inside of the door. Engine parts here. Here's our actual engine and chassis, engine and transmission. Our spoiler, pedal box. Here's our steering wheel, side mirrors, there are fans, steering column, all very nicely molded. You can see there's a fair amount of detail there, and it's very crisp and clean. Here's the inside of our door handles there, or door cards, and then a front splitter, I guess, there. Windshield wipers, nicely molded there. Then we've got decals. We'll open those up so we can have a look at that. And we've also got wheels to look at. So this comes specifically with this police model. And those are very nicely printed. Look at that, Highway Patrol, very nice. Very nice decals there. Here are our tires. They're a little thin. Vinyl with some nice nice tread. And then we've got our instructions here, a long sheet of instructions. And there are the colors needed. And the standard colors for the outside are black and white. Let's have a look at the instructions. We start with the engine, put our seats together, build the dashboard and the interior, put the whole cabin together. Then we've got dashboard going on, the cabin seats going in, part of the suspension going into the chassis there, more parts for the suspension, subframe going on, and then our steering rack and sway bar. Put the firewall on, additional engine bay parts, finally mount the engine at V8. There's our radiator going on there. Put the rear axle in with the drive shaft. There's the exhaust parts, and then some additional under chassis parts there, just holding everything in together. We put our glass in the body, and that's for the I guess that's the front bumper there. No, that's the rear bumper. And then mount the body on. You have to put the front and rear bumper on once you've got the body on, which is disappointing, but I understand. And then we've got this looks like this is our lights and side skirt, front bumper. Once you've got the lights on, you can put the front hood on, the wheels, tires. That's our front bumper, I guess grill, and then also don't forget the antenna. Add the roof decals before putting the antenna on. That's where all the decals go. All in all, nicely molded, good amount of detail for the engine bay, the interior. Good decals. It's a great model kit.